raw steel to ocean giants, from damaged vessels back to peak performance. This is how Citra Shipyard masters the seas. With our new building line, we engineer the future of maritime. Robust tugboats, LCT, SPOB, government vessel, naval vessel, and passenger vessel, built to international standards with absolute precision. But we don't just build. We are the premier hospital for your fleet, powering, sandblasting, painting, and hull repairs. Done fast, done right, minimizing your downtime. Modern facilities, elite experts, to keep your fleet moving. Citra Shipyard, your trusted partner in shipbuilding and repairs. Contact us today.